Hey guys, in this video I'm going to tell you how some people are making $1,000 commissions every day with just 100 followers on social media. Now before starting this video, if you are new here, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon. So in order to make $1,000 with just 100 followers, you need to be promoting a high ticket affiliate order, one that pays you $1,000 in one conversion. Let's see a real life example of who did this. Megan recently posted this in one of the Facebook groups I am in. I really felt compelled to share this, hoping it helps someone. I started back in July and have not had a viral video. I made new TikTok, Instagram account and do not have tons of followers. I also get about 200 to 400 views on average on my videos. My new Instagram account I made got banned, but this is my income the last 5 weeks deposited into my bank, and I've made over $40,000 total in last 2 months. I just want to encourage you to detach from the vanity metrics. Stop analyzing your views and likes and numbers so heavily and make sure you are sharing 100% confidently and authentically and having the blind faith what you are doing will reach the right people. That you're going to have $1,000 days and change your family's lives. I came into this expecting it to work. No, well, what if it doesn't? It was going to work no matter what. And it has. Keep going. Those moments of doubt, I swear, they are most important minutes of your life. It gives you the opportunity to move through it and come out on top the other side. Don't stop. Let's get it, friends. Happy Thursday. As you see, she made $40,000 in last 2 months with high ticket affiliate marketing, and he don't get more than 200 to 400 views on her reels. She also encourages you to detach from vanity metrics and showing up authentically. And honestly, you don't need much people when you're getting $1,000 commission with just one person. This is the magic of high ticket. Now, to get into high ticket affiliate marketing, you must use a high converting offer to people. I have one such product for you. It pays 50% recurring commission on all the purchases. And you also get a done for you funnel, meaning you only have to focus on marketing and the rest has been taken care of. From the landing page to email sequence, everything is pre-built. New beginners are coming in and making $1,000. New beginners are coming in and making $100,000 in their first 6 months. This is unlike I've ever seen before. To get inside this opportunity, get the link in the description. Get on this opportunity as soon as possible. I wish you all the best.